Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide, and today's video we are going to be checking out the Ringke Bezel Styling for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 41mm. So for the folks out there who doesn't like the black accent on your Watch 3 bezel, this is the best solution to do so. So right now off the market on Amazon, this is pretty much the only color that you can get. I think it's just the Amazon.ca, but I saw a couple of different colors on Amazon.com. Right now, I cannot order anything in Amazon.com because of the restriction of the border due to the coronavirus. So anyways, let's proceed with this video and check this out and see what it looks like on the Mystic Silver Watch 3. So let's unbox this. All right, so this is pretty much what you get inside the box, and off the bat you pretty much see the bezel, the silver stainless bezel. Looks really good, guys. All right, let's take this off, remove it, and there it is. Beautiful, nice, shiny. Not the chrome version, it's just your matted silver color. All right, and there is your black bezel, and let's install this. Let me see what else it comes here. I don't know if it comes with a alcohol wipes, and it seems like it doesn't. Okay, it just gives you an instruction to make sure to wipe it. But of course, if you really want to make sure that this thing will stick on the bezel, it's best off to use the alcohol wipes so that it will stick there. Okay, so anyways, I'm not gonna use that because this is just a demonstration video. I need to remove it if I need to review the other bezels out there. So all you need to do is just pretty much align the R on the top right there, on the top, and you should be good to go. All right, so you have the double-sided tape right there, and they said that you could actually take this for a swim and it will not come off. So here we go, just remove it. Oh shoot. All right, and we'll just place it on the bezel. So you don't really have to align it straight. You could place it like that because you could rotate the bezel. And yeah, so it's quite simple to align or so. Oh, actually you do need to align. Oh, no, not really. Because you could rotate the bezel. All right, so let me just try to make sure that we just get it on the center, and then we'll fix it later. Okay, so it looks like we are in the middle here, guys. Okay, there you go. So we got it in the middle, as you can see, perfectly aligned, and there it is, guys. Let me just change the brightness here. All right, so there it is. Now you got a complete silver Watch 3. No more black accent, and I think it looks pretty good, guys. It looks really good. So let me try to change a different watch face here. Let's go for the other one that I saw. Which one was that? This one here. There you go. Check that out. Looks really nice, guys. So again, you could move the bezel around to navigate, and if you just want to make it center, you could have it centered like so. Oh, you know what? Okay, so you actually have to make sure that the bezel is placed centered, because each rotation there is a gap. Like, I mean, it stops to a certain point. So as you can see, the R is not centered up there. So the best way is to make sure that you get that R centered. So that was my mistake, guys. I thought I was able to center it, but no. See, there's no point. You will hear the click that it is stop. But as you can see, if I place it there, it's not actually on the right spot or whatever that clicking spot that it's supposed to be. But anyways, that's easily fixable. You can just remove it and put it back. But that's what it looks like, guys. It looks really, really nice. Let me show you around the side. The color suits the watch casing. It's perfect color. There's no off color to it. It just matches very well. I saw it on Amazon.ca. One of the reviewer commented that the color is off color to the casing of the Watch 3. To me, it looks exactly the same color, guys. So I don't know, it's either he can't see or I don't know. But to me, and as you can see from the video, it looks exactly the same color as the casing. All right, so that's what it looks like. I think it looks really good. And you have that option to ability to actually change the Watch 3 to completely a silver color instead of that black accent for some folks out there who doesn't like it. Now you got a complete silver Watch 3. All right, looks very, very nice, guys. I love the look of this. Okay, so to remove it, it's quite easy. You just have to pry it out like so. Okay, so it does take some extra force to remove it. Hold on. Oh wow, it's in there, guys. Damn, uh-oh. I'm not able to remove this. Oh wow. Oh my. It's in there, guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to... Okay, there you go. I see some movement now. But wow, the double-sided tape is really, really tough. Okay, just give me a second here. Oh wow, that is tough. Okay, so as you can see, the double-sided tape is quite strong. It will definitely stick on your bezel. So imagine if I did wipe with an alcohol there, it will definitely stick on there, guys. So again, to install it, just make sure that the bezel is completely to where it is stopped, because each click there is a stoppage area. So make sure that you align that R in the middle right here. So just try your best to make sure that the R is at 12 o'clock, like so. And then you basically got it aligned like that, like so. All right, I don't want to press it back on because it's gonna be hard for me to remove. But anyways, that's what it looks like. I think the watch looks amazing with this bezel styling. So I can't wait for more options. We're just waiting for them to manufacture it, and hopefully there'll be plenty more options for us to choose from. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.